hold at station 4.
Copy that. Copy, go hold. Get a hold.
Batch number 8 Gamma 4 confirmed. Traceability is secure.
Acknowledged. We are cleared for high-pressure installation. Here we see the critical material routing decision point for the Il-18 Coot. Process A aluminum is channeled.
Ensure the pressure gauge is monitored during fitting.
Confirmed. Temperature and humidity remain within optimal parameters for Process A.
Ensure all regulator placements match the diagram precisely.
Confirmed. The torque specification is exactly 45 millimeters.
Looks good. We are cleared for assembly.
Ensure the secondary loop aligns precisely with the main manifold here.
We're securing the clamps on zone 4 now.
The stability is absolute. Process A is holding steady.
Temperature readings are nominal across the board.
With the final checks complete, the cabin pressurization system, or Process A, is finalized, ready for the next stage of assembly.
The specialized head applies a chemical primer which flash-dried rapidly. This is essential to prevent vibration.
Thin, lightweight composite wall panels for the IL-18 Coot are staged on these racks. A robotic system then applies
aligning the seam now.
And engaging the fasteners. Looks good.
Flap set, check. Ground hydraulics holding steady, Captain. Ready for power check.
All readings green on the tablet, Captain. Structural integrity confirmed.
Very good. Process A is nominal.
The IL-18 exhibits the raw power of its design. Yet, thanks to the revolutionary insulation,
How much longer is the flight?
We should be landing in about 2 hours. Here is your orange juice, sir. Thank you.
The cabin is remarkably silent.
Ensuring the integrity of the pressure hull relies on the certified Process A system. The mechanic uses a specialized
The Ilyushin Il-18 Coot receives ground support.
Despite the powerful turboprops, the cabin remains a sanctuary of silence, thanks to the advanced Process B insulation.
I can hear you perfectly. The acoustic shielding is working well. Please proceed with the revised budget analysis for the Singapore office.
Check the fuel flow on engine 3, please.
Reading is stable, Captain.
Thank you so much for flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon. Have a safe onward journey.
I think that's dramatic.